Hello, this is Erin, and I'm doing a follow-up on my Enhancement 3 for CIT 336. And for some reason in the text that I had copied and pasted from my connections, for my connections PHP, there was one little piece that was missing, and so it was broken. So it is now working, and so that's run the website. So we click on my account, and here's the login page with the submit button, and here's the register now button with please fill out all the information. So we have first name, last name, email, and password. And now now we are going to now we're going to copy all of this and let's put it in the validator, and we'll check it. And one of the warnings is from one of my browser monitors for security, and warning there, but everything's working well. And let's look at my CSS, and we will check that also. So it's in my main. So we'll copy that and take it on over here, check, and we are good to go. Thanks.